let's talk about toys and the playground and all the other things we do during the day. In the Talking to Toddlers app, you get 12 books that let you do cool things, like pop bubbles in the bathtub, eat a peanut butter sandwich, and color in a tablet. Then you can play 12 different matching games and do 12 different jigsaw puzzles. You also get books about all 4 seasons, so you can have the fun of spring, fall, winter, and summer all year round. Talking to Toddlers is tons of fun.